apart. Higher than I wanted to play.
Just tearing apart. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Brice Brown. I got 2 VXF 15s, Scar VXF 15s on a Scar RP 4500. I got a JS 400 alt and 64 amp hours headway. Just threw it back together and broke the passenger window monitor off, so I had to weld it back on. This one's starting to do it too.
Yeah. Man.
I'm trying to keep it together.
Where's your amplifiers?
The sub amps over there, and then the 2 mid amps are on the other side.
Does your doors actually open, or you have to work with what you got in the space? Does the side doors open at all?
Oh, it's just a 2-door.
It is? Okay.
It's
Oh, wow.
pain to get everything.
Oh, yeah. And you actually have like a baffle build around this?
Yeah, it's basically, it's like a wall with no baffle. So
Okay. So it's still a ported enclosure.
Yeah.
But you want to reinforce everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the back of the cab was flexing like crazy, so
I believe it. Any kind of, have you noticed a sound difference, louder, quieter, range frame change when you started doing some reinforcement?
Well, I went from 310s in here to all of this. So
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's all good.
But yeah.
Did you build the box?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yep. It does. Well, I had the meter in the driver's side. I'm louder in the passenger side, but it does 154.5 in the passenger kick.
Awesome. It's pretty good. Okay. Do you know any like specs on the box, tuning or anything?
Yeah, it's 8 cubes and tuned to somewhere between 28 and 31 hertz.
Okay.
It likes 23 hertz, but it peaks at 38.
Okay. So you like the low frequencies?
Yeah, I can't take anything over 40. It hurts.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay.
But
Awesome.
do you want like around my peak?
Yeah, what's your peak frequency?
38.
38? Okay, sure, man. So you go from 23 to 30, 40, 33.
It'll play up to 50. It doesn't like it, but 44 is about its peak.
Okay. Your doors are heavy. Give him a demo while it's early. All right, yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Thanks for the info.
Can you lock his side?
Window up.
It's going down, flames of black shit. grooving on them, going stupid on them. I be pooping on them. Cut it with some red eyes, I'm gon' put some boobies on. Yeah, bitch, I'm grooving on them, going stupid on them. I be pooping on them. Cut it with some red eyes, I'm gon' put some boobies on. Yeah, bitch, I'm grooving. I put it in the boy, cause I don't give a fuck. I don't want to talk to them bitches. She said she gon' deep throw. Cause OT, I be like, that's me, ho. She shaking that booty. Take her back to the crib, she up. I don't even know demons, cause bitch, I'm the devil. Yeah, bitch, I'm good.
Do you want, like, around my peak?
Yeah, what's your peak frequency?
38.
38? Okay, sure, man. I put it in the boy, cause I don't give a fuck. I don't want to let them bitches outside of Texas where we swinging by. She said she gon' deep whoppers, cause OT, I be like, that's me, ho. She sucking that booty. Take her back to the crib, she up. I don't even know demons, cause bitch, I'm the devil. Yeah, bitch, I'm good. That's crazy, the lows, man. How low was that you're playing?
23.
23. So you like the low frequencies?
Yeah, I can't take anything over 40. It hurts.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay.
But
Awesome. That's a good SPL test burp right there. That's really loud. Wow, okay.
higher than I wanted to play, but
Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo. Your name?
Brice.
Brice. Awesome. Yeah, your doors are handling the bass, but it's just tearing apart. I appreciate it, man. That was awesome.